Is there anything worse than this silence? You are standing next to someone, and you want to speak.
But you are afraid. What if you say it wrong? What if they ignore you? So, you say nothing.
You pull out your phone and pretend to be busy. A moment to connect is lost forever.
Stop! Small talk is not a test, it is a script. Today, I will give you the 4 exact scripts you need to survive any conversation.
Don't let fear kill the conversation. Hello, my wonderful friends. I'm Scarlett. Welcome back to GEM. Do you hate awkward silence? You know, that feeling when you are standing in an elevator or waiting in line and nobody is saying anything? Your heart starts beating fast. You want to be friendly, but your mind goes blank. In your native language, this is easy. But in English, small talk feels like a big test. Well, today, I have good news. Small talk is not an art. It is a science. You just need the scripts. I have broken this down into 4 levels. Level 1. The transaction. Buying things. Level 2. The stranger. Breaking the ice. Level 3. The new friend. Finding a connection. Level 4. The exit. Leaving the conversation politely. Are you ready to become a master conversationalist? Let's start with Level 1. Part 2. Level 1. The transaction. This is the easiest level because you have a clear goal. You want coffee. They want money. But many students make a mistake here. They translate directly from their language and say, "Give me coffee," or "I want coffee." In English, this sounds very rude and bossy. To sound polite and natural, you need 2 magic phrases. Can I have, or I'll take. Can I have a medium coffee, please? I'll take the chicken sandwich. It is soft. It is polite. And it gives you time to think. Let's watch Leo order coffee perfectly. Notice how he uses "can I have" and "I'll take."
Hi there, welcome.
What can I get for you today?
Hi.
Can I have a medium iced coffee, please?
Sure thing. Do you want milk or sugar with that?
No thanks, just black. And I'll take a chocolate cookie too.
Great, that's $6.50. Here is your coffee.
Perfect, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Part 3. Analysis and Level 2. The stranger. Did you hear that? Can I have? I'll take. It was smooth and professional. Now, let's move to Level 2. The stranger. This is the bus stop situation. You are standing next to someone. It is quiet. How do you break the ice without being weird? You use the universal topic, the weather. I know. It sounds boring. But the weather is the safest topic in the world. It is not personal. It is something you both share in that moment. Here is the trick. Don't ask a direct question like, "How is the weather?" That sounds like a textbook. Instead, make a statement that invites them to agree. Phrase 1. Crazy weather, isn't it? Phrase 2. It's such a beautiful day. Phrase 3. I can't believe this rain. Let's see how Leo uses this to turn an awkward silence into a friendly moment.
Crazy weather, isn't it? I can't believe this rain.
I know. It was sunny 5 minutes ago. My umbrella is totally broken.
Oh no, that's terrible. Hopefully the bus comes soon so we can get dry.
I hope so too.
Part 4. Analysis and Level 3. The new friend. See? The silence is gone. They are connected. Leo didn't say anything smart. He just said, "Crazy weather." And Mia was happy to talk. Now, Level 3. The new friend. You are at a party. You have broken the ice. How do you keep talking? Do not ask about politics. Do not ask about money. Ask about free time. The golden question is, what do you do in your free time? This is better than what are your hobbies? Because hobbies sounds a bit childish. Free time is open and natural. And when they answer, you must show interest. Say really, or that's cool. Let's watch Leo make a new friend at a party.
So you work in finance? That sounds busy.
It is. Lots of numbers. But enough about work. What about you? What do you do in your free time?
Oh, well, I actually love photography. I go hiking to take pictures.
Really? That's cool. I love hiking too.
You should come with us next time. We go every Saturday.
Part 5. Analysis and Level 4. The exit. Boom. Connection. Now they are not talking about work. They are talking about hiking. They are finding common ground. But all conversations must end. This brings us to Level 4. The polite exit. This is the part most students fear. You want to leave, but you don't want to be rude. So you stay, and it gets awkward. You need the exit formula. It has 3 steps. Step 1. Give a reason. Use the phrase, I have to get going. Step 2. Say something nice. It was great chatting with you. Step 3. The wish. Have a nice day. So the full script is, well, I have to get going now. It was great chatting with you. Let's watch Leo escape the conversation politely.
And then I hiked the whole mountain in 2 hours.
Wow, that is amazing. Well, I have to get going now. I have an early meeting tomorrow.
It was really great chatting with you, Mia. Have a wonderful night.
You too, Leo. See you later.
Part 6. Shadowing practice. Perfect. Mia feels good. Leo feels free. Now, I want to practice these scripts with you. We will do a shadowing practice. I will say the phrase. I will leave a pause. You say it out loud. Copy my intonation. Script 1. Ordering coffee. Can I have a medium coffee, please? Script 2. The stranger. Crazy weather, isn't it? Script 3. the new friend. What do you do in your free time? Script 4. The exit. Well, I have to get going now. It was great chatting with you. Excellent job. Part 7. Conclusion and CTA. So, you have your 4 survival scripts. Transaction. Can I have? Stranger. Crazy weather, isn't it? Friend. What do you do in your free time? Exit. I have to get going. Small talk is not scary. It is just a bridge between 2 people. Use these scripts to build that bridge. Now, I have a challenge for you. In the comments, I want you to practice your exit. Imagine we are talking, and you need to leave. Write your polite exit script below. Example. Well, Scarlett, I have to go have dinner now. Great video. I read every comment. If this video helped you feel more confident, please smash that like button and subscribe to GEM. I'm Scarlett. Go out and talk to someone today. See you next time.